Hi viewers, this is T. Venkateshwarlu and you are watching Sandeep English World. In today's video, you are going to learn about some words which are often mispronounced by us. The very first word. We generally pronounce the word as pronoun, but it's not pronoun, it is pronoun. I repeat, pronoun. Next, this word is mispronounced as vowel. Vowel. It's not vowel, it is vowel. Vowel. A vowel. Next, we generally mispronounce it as preposition. It's not preposition, it is preposition. Preposition. The very initial sound is pre. Preposition. Next word. Do you think it is grandma? No, it is grandma. That the letter D is a silent here. Not grandma, it is grandma. Grandma. Next word. We often mispronounce it as handkerchief. It's not handkerchief, it is handkerchief. Handkerchief. Here also D is silent. Next. And it is mispronounced as connoisseur. It is not connoisseur, it is connoisseur. Connoisseur. Next. It is not postpone, it is postpone. Postpone. That letter T is silent here, and this word is wrongly pronounced as vehement. This is not vehement, this is vehement. Vehement. Next, most of the people mispronounce it as vehicle. It is not vehicle, it is a vehicle. Vehicle. A vehicle. Next word. We pronounce it as pollute. Pollute. Pollution. We say pollute. It's not pollute, it is pollute. 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 Next. Even the doctors mispronounce this word as digestion. It is not digestion, it is digestion. Digestion. Next, the students, the teachers, and everyone mispronounces this word as question. 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 Not question, question. It is question. The right pronunciation of this word is question. Next, this word is pronounced as reservoir. Reservoir. Not reservoir, it is reservoir. Reservoir. That is the right accent. Next, it is not memoir, but it should be pronounced as memoir. Memoir. And this word often we find as the headlines of different restaurants. This word is mispronounced as restaurant. Even in mother tongue it is written like that, restaurant. This is not restaurant, it is restaurant. Restaurant. Next. This is not memento, it is memento. Memento. The right pronunciation of this word is memento. And most of the words ending with CIAN are mispronounced as Shean, like that. It's not correct. The correct one is politician. Politician. not politician but it is politician. Politician. And even the people belonging to the police department mispronounce this word as police. Not police, it is police. Police. Next. This is not barrage. This is not barrage, but the right pronunciation is barrage. Barrage. The final sound is z. Barrage. That final sound is z. In the sense as we find the sound as in leisure, measure, pleasure. Barrage. And next word, this is not canal, this is canal. Canal. Na. Not nal. Nal. Canal. And next word, this word is mispronounced as stir. Not stir, this is stir. Stir. The final sound is as we find the sound in girl, bird, stir. Next, whatever activity that is done by us daily, we call it routine. This is not routine, and it should be pronounced as routine. The right pronunciation is routine. And this word is mispronounced as salute. Not salute, salute. Salute. Next word, we generally mispronounce it as occasion. Occasion. Sha. Not sha, it is the ja. Occasion. Occasion. Next. This word is not residence, but it is residence. The S sound should be as Z sound. Z. Residence. Residence. Next word, and even the advocates, the lawyers, the police, and the judges mispronounce this word as alibi. Alibi. Not alibi, it is alibi. Alibi. Next word, this word is mispronounced as endeavor. Not endeavor, endeavor. Endeavor. The initial sound is in. Next, deva. Endeavor. And often in the public entertainments, we find this word. It is mispronounced as finale, grand finale, like that people mispronounce it. Not finale, finale. Finale. The final sound should be E. Next, this word is mispronounced as mountain, not mountain, it is mountain. Mountain. Most of the nouns ending with the T-A-I-N should be sounded as ton. Mountain. Curtain. Even the adjective, certain. Next, this is not bigamy, but it is bigamy. It should be pronounced as bigamy. Next word, it's not thorough, but it is thorough. You have to be thorough with the rules and regulations of the institutions. Like that we say. You should be thorough. Wrong. You should be thorough. Thorough. Next. This word is mispronounced as bury, but not bury, it is bury. Instead of saying burial ground, we mispronounce it as burial ground. Not burial ground, burial, bury. Next, this is not pretty. It's not pretty, it is pretty. There is no gemination. Only single T should be sounded. Pretty. Next, this is not elite, but it should be elite. The elite of the town, like that we say. Not elite, the elite. Next, even the police officers mispronounce it as bandobast. This is not bandobast, it should be Bandobast. Bandobast. Next, even the people belonging to Christianity mispronounce it as Christian, but it should be Christian. Christian. Next, this word is mispronounced as mirage. It is not mirage, it is mirage. Mirage. It is a scientific term which means mirages. Mirages occur due to the total internal reflection. Next word, it's not prestige, but it should be prestige. The final sound should be ja, ja, prestige. Next, I am a postgraduate. I say I am a postgraduate, but not graduate. Graduate, wrong expression. It should be graduate. 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 Graduate, postgraduate, like that we have to say. Next, it is not education, but it should be education. 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 And the specialty of this word is you will find all the vowels in this word. All the vowels A, E, I, O, U are found in it. Next word. It's not nose. It should be nose. The final sound should be Z. Nose. Another word. It's not comparable, but it should be comparable. Comparable. Next. It is mispronounced as bargain. Not bargain. It should be bargain. Bargain. Next. It is mispronounced as apropos. Not apropos. It should be apropos. Apropos. Final S should be silent. And this word is not luxury. It is luxury. Luxury. Know that sound, but the sound of sha. Luxury. Next. It is mispronounced as preparatory. Some students say we are enjoying the preparatory holidays. It's the wrong expression. Preparatory should be preparatory. Next, it is not a tenure, but it should be tenure. 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 Next, it is not eyebrow, it is eyebrow. Eyebrow, not bro, brow. Next, it is mispronounced as recipe. It is not recipe, it should be recipe. Recipe. And the last word for today's session, it is not suit. Even the officials say, I booked a suit for my friend in the Taj Hotel, like that. It is not suit, but it is suite. I booked a suite in the Taj Hotel. A suite is a room or some other rooms in a hotel. And that's the end of the topic. If you are contented with this video, you can like it, share it and comment on it. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Happy watching.